rewiring this Fernandes P-base kay Zild to. Zild Benitez of Itbulaga Music Hero. I'm gonna change this pickup to this quarters. Check it out.
Oh yeah, love is written in the storm. Every man I meet walking time, free to wander past this conscious mind. Love will come and take you home, yeah. Hey, love, I'm written in the storm.
Okay, I managed to take out the old pickup. This is a custom pickguard by Jimbo San Pedro. So pretty neat. Like siguro mga ano to. Makapal din. Custom made for Zild. Gold. I think it's ano eh. Yeah, tama. Mga 3mm. Kapal. So if you guys are looking for pickguard makers, Jimbo is also one of my clients. Okay. Shielded the cavities. Time to clean this up, set up, solder, and test it.
How I wished that he was mine. You know what I did? Had a little talk with the man upstairs. I said, Lord, won't you please come inside?